Hey everyone, let me ask you something. Are you scared of winning? Think about it. Are you so scared of taking the first step which will eventually lead you to the life you always dreamt of? I've come a long way since 2022 where my health was very bad, my mental health was down the drain, and my self-esteem was shattered. I hit rock bottom, but then I turned it around. And I had this goal from then on that I want to help you guys find purpose in life and help you guys succeed. I'm on a mission to help you guys find peace and a deep sense of self-awareness. So if this is something you guys are looking forward for, you've come to the right place where we make real, long-lasting changes. So without any further ado, let's get started. First off guys, thank you so much for helping me reach over 2000 subscribers. It really means a lot to me and it motivates me to post more content like this and to build incredible things in my life. So it really means a lot to me, man. So first off, I want to share you all my business plans and my personal goals. So one of the main goal over here is to build my personal brand on Instagram, X, Facebook, and YouTube. Why? Because I want to help people find purpose and I want to show people that if you have a dream in your mind and if you want to accomplish great things in life, all you have to do is just put in the work and stick to it for a long period of time and you'll get there, man. Long story short, I want to help people find purpose in life and make them successful as an individual. Now these days, man, I see a lot of YouTubers who help people in the US, UK and basically all Western countries, right? But I've not seen one Indian YouTuber who's reliable, who's relatable and who's actually talking facts, like all they talk about is doing this, doing that. Like it's so ChatGPT generated, guys. Like I don't get that emotional connect with them. So I want to be that guy. I want to build my name in India over here and I want to help people, especially in India, to help them succeed. I want to teach you guys the real philosophy of life and actually guide you on how to walk this life, man. If I go more specific, I want to hit 500 plus connections on LinkedIn. Well, I already have like 440 plus connections on LinkedIn, so I'm almost there to hit that goal. And then my second goal is to hit 2000 followers on Instagram and then 2000 followers on X, aka Twitter. Like most of you guys would be knowing that Twitter actually rebranded and changed its name for X as Elon Musk took over. Well, anyways, but my point over here is I want to build 500 plus connections on LinkedIn, 2000 plus followers on Instagram and X, and I want to hit 3000 subscribers on YouTube. So that's my next goal. I'm gonna put out good content for you guys. I'm gonna start posting shorts. So all this exciting stuff coming on the way. I get this a lot from many people. They're like, hey Vilas, all you do is literally sit in your house and work. Where's the fun, man? You don't even enjoy your life. You're 18, in your younger years. You should go out there and enjoy. But here's my philosophy, guys. Every day, I wake up, I work on my business with one goal in my mind. I want to attain financial freedom, location freedom, and time freedom. Basically, I want to be a free man with no restrictions. So when people come to me and say that me working on business is boring, well, I want to sit here and argue that it's not boring at all. In fact, I love building my business, man. I love connecting with you guys. I love connecting with all the people around the world. And this is the thing about digital era, man. You can literally sit here in India and speak to people from US, Canada, Singapore, you name it. I had clients from the Singapore, Canada. I had countless meetings from media buyers across all over the world. It's so incredible to meet people and talk to people I want to live my life on my own terms with no restrictions at all. As I've shared in my previous video, guys, I have this unlimited drive inside me that wants to conquer every single thing in this world. So it's really important for me to channel this energy into the right direction and into the right positive path. I'm also working really hard on my fitness level, eating good food, and I'm forging complete discipline to upgrade my life. And also, guys, quick story over here. Back in 2022, I used to literally live on junk food every single day, right? I used to go out, get a bag of junk food, and eat that for the rest of the day. Like, that was my lifestyle at a point of time. And I can tell you guys, my posture was bad, my face was bloated, and I didn't look great, man. My energy levels were so fucked up. Like, people could sense the geekiness inside me. I know it's harsh, but that was my reality back in the days. Now you guys would be wondering why I'm sharing this with you. I share this story with you because I know how it feels to be in that situation, and I've been there, and it's really bad, trust me. And I also know what it takes to change things around. All you have to do is be consistent, be disciplined, and do all the right things which will elevate you in your life. So how, you might ask? Well, biohacking, guys. So what is biohacking? Basically, you optimize each and every single cell in your body to perform at the highest level and to optimize all the energy levels and your mental cognitive functioning levels to the highest. First off, cut off junk food. I don't care, guys. Whatever excuses you give, none of the shit. Cut off junk food. Second, stop scrolling Instagram and stop watching meaningless Netflix shows. Now, I know there's so many of you out there who would sit here and argue with me that, oh, watching Instagram and watching Netflix shows is actually useful, you learn a lot of lessons. Yes, that's not false, by the way, it's true. But then right now, you're in the process of taking back control over your life. So, no Instagram, no Netflix, anything that gives you fake dopamine, guys, cut it out, like seriously. And second, I want you all to start eating good, healthy food. Eat your vegetables, eat good grains, start working out. In the starting stages, you guys don't have to go to the gym like 7 days a week. Start out by going 2 days for 2 days, and then increase it for 3, 4, and 5, and eventually you'll understand what your body likes and you'll get to know about your goals in depth. Then you can basically choose your plan from there. It's gonna be a bit controversial, but take care of your looks. Back in the day, man, I used to not take care of my body and my face in general. I used to not take regular haircuts, and my face was bloated. I didn't give a shit about any of those things, and I was living a life which was very bad in general. So I want you guys to cut out Instagram, Netflix, eat good food, start working out, and watch how your life is going to change. Be patient, trust yourself, and keep pushing, guys. Also, I want to share you guys what I'm currently working on. I actually went to a Viva in some other school, some project assignment bullshit. So I finished that, I came back to home, and I straight up opened my MacBook and started working. So hold on, let me just show you what I'm working on. So I did a little bit of lead generation, and then I processed them for cold calling and email automation. So these are all the leads, guys. And then this is my software where I look after all my sequences in email sendings and stuff like that. So this is it. And also, let me just show you my LinkedIn profile. So yeah, this is my LinkedIn profile, and then yeah, 440 plus connections. I'm almost gonna hit my goal, which is very good. So things are going great. This is my cold calling script, guys. and these are the things I've been working on. In a few more years, I just know that I'll be living in my dream house, driving my dream car with my loving partner, and I'll be a free man. I'm just waiting for that to become a reality. I'm gonna be that free man I always dreamt of. But let's be real for a second, guys. If for some reason my business fails and everything just shatters, I'll be okay, man. I know that I'll be okay, and I'll find my way in the business world, doing what I need to do and make a good living. Like, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna do that. And worst comes to worst, I'll just be normal like most people. Well, I know that sounds crazy, but I'll be making a good salary, and then probably from there I would find some way and figure it out. So that's the whole point, man. You have to take actions, you have to take that risk, and you have to go for it, whatever you're dreaming for. We all know that at the end of the day we're gonna be okay, but many of us are just scared to take the first step. So I want you guys to take out your journal book or a piece of paper and put down all your thoughts and all your emotions on this. Are you scared of winning? If not, what's holding you back to take that action? If yes, how can you change it? Analyze, evaluate, iterate, and come up with a plan. That's how you move forward in your life, guys. And also ask yourself if you're scared of winning. Like, actually, guys, sit back and think about it. Be introspective about your life and come up with a proper conclusion. And once you've answered all the questions, I'm telling you guys, you're gonna change your life, man. You're gonna come out as a whole different person, and you're gonna see the world in a different way and in a different perspective. I know I went a bit philosophical over here, but this is the truth and this is the principles of life, man. You have to question every single thing. The system out there will tell you do this, do that, and then you actually never ever think about it, and that's why you have trained your subconscious mind to process things without thinking about it. So from today onwards, whatever that is, ask yourself questions. Alright, someone tells you so and so is good, you come home, sit down and question yourself. Okay, that guy told me this. Does it make sense with me? Does it resonate with me? Do I love doing what he told? Am I willing to invest my energy in that? You see how we are getting all the questions over here and trying to answer them, and you answer all these questions, you're gonna get a solid answer, guys. You don't have to go to ChatGPT to ask answers for it, which I don't recommend, by the way. Like, this is the philosophical way and this is the principle of life. All the ancestors, all the warriors, the Greeks, the Athens, you name it, guys, everyone followed this principle. So I'm gonna be so stupid and not follow the timeless principles? Of course not, right? Also, guys, if you want to stay updated on my personal journey, follow me on Instagram. My handle is Vilas_SP7. Like, lately I've been getting a lot of comments from you guys asking my Instagram handle, so make sure you go and follow me over there, and I would love to connect with you guys. And I would love to end this video by this beautiful quote I've fallen in love with, which is, the magic you're looking for is in the work you're avoiding. Listen to that and analyze it again.